Hello and welcome to Flextone's Tooth and Claw TV. Today we have two great hunts for you. We're going to be joining host Jon Collins in his home state of Kentucky. On the first hunt, Jon's going to be behind the camera filming good friend Jordan Kelsey, and they are hunting a big coyote. So let's get right to that hunt and see if his friend Jordan can get it done.
All right, we're out doing a little coyote hunting this morning. We probably ought to be deer hunting. We went and made a stand earlier this morning, got on a coyote, actually seen it as we was going in. We never could connect on it, and as we was coming out, we saw a decent buck chasing a doe. We probably ought to be deer hunting, guys. We're out here trying to kill a coyote, so stay tuned. We're on our second farm. Hopefully we knock this coyote down. Hey, go, right up here in the fence row, right up here in the fence row. Kill him if you can hit him. Got him. All right.
I tell you what, I looked up there a minute ago and saw him, and I thought it was a tree trunk, because it never moved. I sat there and looked at him for a minute and never knew it was a dog.
Hey.
Yes.
Right.
Good shot, Hazel.
You too, man.
Good shot. Yes.
Oh yeah. We left David Gregson at the house. Nice. Nice, guys. Well, we've got out done a little coyote hunting this morning, and I'm out here with my good buddy Jordan, his friend Hazel. I think you guys went to college together, didn't you?
Yeah.
But we've out here, this is our second stand. We actually got on a coyote earlier, spotted him walking in and did a quick setup on him, and we did get a shot off, but we just wasn't able to connect. Come out here at our second farm, put the flex tone out, maybe been calling for maybe 5 minutes at the most, switched to a second sound. This huge male come up in this fence row, and we think he was fixing to make his way down here and crawl underneath the gate, but we was kind of sitting out in the sun, so we didn't want to take any chances. And Hazel put an excellent shot on it, probably a 150, 175 yard shot.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
I
bud.
appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Congrats, Jordan. Great shot. And that was a big coyote, 43 pounds. I'm betting the farmer is really happy that that coyote is no longer around. And on this next hunt, we're going to be joining host Jon Collins. He's behind the gun. His friend David is filming. And let's see if they can get it done on another Kentucky coyote.
Doing a little coyote hunting this morning. It's going to make our third setup, our second farm. We tried to come right here first thing this morning, but had a lot of fog. Fog just now burned off. We've got a good feeling about this place here. The farmer's been seeing a lot of coyotes. Got a cornfield's going to be right up here in front of us, where we're going to be calling towards. We know coyotes been coming in and out of that corn. I think they're actually bedding up in that corn. We're going to have a holler. It's going to be down to our right, and we're actually going to be set up in a pasture field. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can call some coyote up. about that, Dave?
Beautiful.
Nice, beautiful color phase coyote. Man, told you that sound sounded good. I wanted to go out there and bite that call. Pretty coyote right there. Decided to get out and do a little coyote hunting this morning. It's been extremely foggy, and it was actually too foggy to hunt this spot right off the bat, so we went to another farm, didn't have any luck, but it allowed time for the fog to burn off up here. We come back up here, got set up. We knew there was coyotes in the area. Our farmer's been spotting coyotes. He's been working. He's actually took pictures of coyotes right off his tractor with his phone and been sending them to me. So we finally got out here to give him some help. Got set up. We let out 2 or 3 howls. We probably waited maybe 5 minutes, and then turned our flex tone electronic call on and played snowshoe hare. Played it for maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and sure enough, right to our right, this beautiful color phase coyote showed up. We had to make a move on him to get turned on him. Got his head down, allowed us to do that, and we made a great shot on him. Right here he is, just a beautiful color phase coyote.
Congrats, John. And I know we're going to get comments when people see the video, because every time we put the pictures up on our social media, people seem to think this is a German Shepherd or a dog. And it is simply a color-phased coyote. If you saw some of our shows last year, you saw that John hunts Kentucky a lot, and these are fairly common. So congratulations on a great coyote, John, and thank you all for joining us on Flextone's Tooth and Claw TV.